If your paycheck disappears the same day it hits your account, you're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in this cycle, and most don't even realize the one mistake keeping them there. You pay your bills, maybe grab groceries, and suddenly there's nothing left. Savings, not happening. Unexpected expense, stress. And it feels like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead. But here's the truth. You don't need a huge salary to fix this. You need a system that actually works for you. Step 1 is creating a realistic budget, not one that looks good on paper, but one you can actually stick to. Most people fail because they underestimate spending or cut too much too fast. Instead, track your real expenses first, then create a plan that still lets you live your life, just with more control. Step 2 is cutting expenses, but not in a way that makes you miserable. You don't need to eliminate everything you enjoy. Focus on the small leaks, subscriptions, impulse spending, overpriced habits. Fix those, and you'll free up money without feeling deprived. Step 3 is building an emergency fund, even if you start with just $20. This is what separates people who stay stuck from those who move forward. Because without savings, every unexpected expense pushes you backward. Step 4 is increasing your income. Cutting expenses helps, but there's a limit. Look for simple ways to earn more: side gigs, skills, negotiating pay, or small opportunities you're overlooking. More income, faster freedom. And here's the biggest mistake: trying to fix everything at once. Real change happens when you take small, consistent steps, not overnight transformations. If you want a step-by-step plan you can follow starting today, I've put together a free ebook, How to Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck. It walks you through everything we just covered, and more. Tap the link and grab your free copy now.